and liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
And Atlas TU has gone to closed loop control. And Mach 1, Atlas 5 is now supersonic.
With the mission that we currently have on Mars, Curiosity, we now know that the methane cycles of Mars match the seasons of Mars, which could be an indicator, it's not definite, but it could be an indicator that life may very well still exist on Mars today under its surface.
And we have good indication of Atlas Centaur separation.